So what's up guys, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be learning about the constants. Okay, so what are these constants and how we can use them. So basically constants are giving some constant values to some variable, and how we can make use of them. So over here I will be writing the code inside of my body, so let's get started. So I will come inside of my body, I will write the script tag, and over here my script code will be going, and this is my body. So whenever you are declaring any constant, you should be making use of the keyword constant. Okay, so if I want, I could say constant x is equal to 10, and I can use this value whenever I want. I will be saying alert, and then I will be printing out the value of the x. Okay, so now if I'm just going to my desktop and executing my file of constants, then I'll be getting this alert. Okay, and if suppose I want to say something like constant, and again if I'm saying x is equal to 12, this is not allowed. Okay, so you cannot declare two constants simultaneously. Now if I'm just saving this, I might get the value of the x as 12. No, I'm not getting. Okay, so this is not allowed. You cannot declare the constants with the same name. You can give some other name to this. You can say this is y or something like that, or you can say this is num2, whatever that is, but you cannot declare two constants with the same name. This is not allowed inside of the JavaScript. And if I want some other constant, okay, so if I'm giving the constants constant as a first name, and Akshay, okay, so I'm giving my first name over here, and I'm doing something like this. This is allowed. I'm coming over here and refreshing. Okay, so I can use some constant values, and afterwards I can use them in my code. And if I am just saying constant, and if I'm just giving the pi value as 3.14, and coming over here, saving this and refreshing my page, so I'm getting the value as 3.14. okay, so this is how you can declare the constants. Okay, so now this is the example which I would like to introduce you to. So I have declared one constant a is equal to 10 and constant b is equal to 20, and over again I have said constant a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Okay, so now if I'm just going to my page and refreshing my page, I'm getting a result as 30. Okay, so now let me just refresh this over again. So it can be seen I'm getting a result as 30. Previously a few minutes back I have told you over here you cannot make use of the same constant over again, but over here I have made use of same constant over again, and I'm given the alert, and I'm not getting the error. Okay, so this is happening because when I said constant a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, this is inside of the global scope. Okay, so this is our script tag, and these two constants are global in the sense it is inside the script tag. And when I've said constant a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, these are declared local to this function inside of the scope. Okay, so when I'm saying function sum, and saying this open and close curly bracket, this is the scope of this function. And when I'm saying constant a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, these constants are locally. Okay, so I can make use of these constants locally inside of the scope, so it won't be getting clashed with these values, and I won't get any error. So this is the concept of the global and the local, so because of which I'm not getting any kind of error over here. Okay, so currently as of now you people might be getting confused with this, so let me just explain this over again. So in other words, what I can say is I'll come over here, and I will declare constant a is equal to 10. Okay, so this is a constant. I've declared constant a is equal to 10. Now I'm opening another scope, and over again I am saying constant, and I'm again saying a is equal to 20. Okay, so this is allowed because this is the some totally different scope. So when I'm using open and close curly bracket, and if I'm declaring the same variable with some different value, it is allowed because this is inside the another scope. So now if I'm just saying something like this, and I'm saying constant a is equal to 50, this is allowed because this is a different scope. Okay, so this is how you can declare the constants, and whenever you encounter open and close curly bracket, it is the local scope, or you can say it is a completely different scope, and where we can declare a variable with some different values, same variable with different values, and it is allowed. But now this is the scope, this is a completely different scope. And now if I'm just coming inside of this scope, and if I'm saying a is equal to 30, this is not allowed. Okay, so opening and the close curly bracket is a scope, and inside of one scope you cannot declare same variable with two different values, and this is not allowed. Okay, this is not allowed. So I think I have already covered all the aspects of the constants, so what is allowed, what is not allowed, and this is how you can make use of these constants, variables, scopes, so what is allowed, what is not allowed. I think I have done everything. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This was all about the constants.